We were sent this ottoman for our review, and if you are looking for one, this one is really fantastic. This can actually hold up to 400 pounds. So yes, you can sit on this, but of course they recommend that, you know, you're not jumping on it or doing anything like that, because over time, of course, it will deform the shape. I love it because it is also a little storage unit. So the lid comes off, and then you have your, it looks just kind of like, again, storage unit, little basket here on the inside. And the way it came, like, there's no assembly required. So you've just got this piece down here on the bottom, and that's what's going to keep the shape. And then check this out. You can just fold this up. So if you're not using it, these honestly just kind of stack on top of each other, and then check that out. That literally took me 1 second, and then the ottoman can be kind of tucked away. So if it's not something that you're using, maybe you just kind of want to pull this out when you have guests over, you need an extra place to sit, very easy. But again, this is really great just to kind of have out, put your feet up, you can sit on it, of course, and it does have 2 little handles on the side, so it is easy to carry around. And then on this side over here, you do have this little front pocket, so if you are keeping this in your living room or wherever, you can kind of like slip your phone or your tablet in there, you know, just so that you have easy access. And as you can see in the B-roll, you know, just putting in the living room, I definitely like to use it just to kind of put my feet up. And yeah, really comfortable. This part up here at the top is super plushy as well. So if you are using it as a seat, it's actually comfortable.